Okay guys, we're gonna make some slime. And yeah, we need glue and borax and a little bit of water to mix it in. So first, pour in the glue.
Look at all that rabbit hair.
Pour it much you want. Then,
good.
okay, now we're out of water. So we're gonna add the water. We're gonna add the borax and water solution. Hold it. And then we're going to mix it. So, and hold up, I'm going to be adding food coloring. So yeah.
Okay, I think that's good.
Well, we need to mix it more. I have a pen. I have an apple.
Oh, damn, Daniel.
And then this is what our slime turned out like.
Whoa,
So
it's like gold. Look at this.
it's like very goopy and you can't stretch it though. But, I mean, it's really cool. So I mean,
And I also made some too.
he made some. We made some. We made some slime earlier, and this is how it turned out. Like, they're very cool, and it is not fake. It's so real. Like, totally not fake.
So look at this.
And then, like, you put it like on this plate,
And then we can just put them together.
and then we like just mix it, and then it's really fun to play with. And you just need some Elmer's glue
And you can just use like shaped stuff.
to like shape your
What
slime.
is that? Don't use it.
So, and then you can have like a pen, and then you go like that. And you can
See?
write on the slime, and it's very cool. And then you go like that, and then you can mix it, and then you can add other food colorings. And you don't need to add borax, but we're just adding borax because,
And we did not buy this at Amazon.
yeah, we didn't buy it anywhere. Just homemade and very fresh. And yeah. And Nathan has a magic set.
See you guys later.
Bye. Oh, and I'm a special guest, by the way.